Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to slice part of image in Photopea. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Firstly, now you can see, then show the home page. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and slice place. Now click from, now choose from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then this is your picture. Now you can see, then we going to the layer menu option, then click. Now click for mouse right button option. Now select from rasterize option. Now you can see, now going to the rectangle select option, tool option. Now select from part image. Now going to the move tool option. Now move from part image. That is. Now you can see, slice part of an image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.